I'm back with another video as promised, and today's video is about how to lose your double chin. I'm going to be showing you 3 exercises that you can do at home to reduce your double chin and to help you give you a slimmer face. So stay tuned, sit back and relax, and I will show you how. Did you know that our head averages about 10 to 12 pounds? Did you know that we tend to be on our phones at least about 150 times a day, if not more? Did you know that the amount of force increases on our spine as we bend our neck downwards? This term is actually known as tech neck or text neck. But not to worry, because I'm going to be showing you that you can do at home on a daily basis to make your double chin go away, as well as a couple of exercises that you can do with your face to have a slimmer face. Rule number 1, sit comfortably on a chair. You could sit up on your bed, whatever you like. Make sure your back is straight, your spine is straight, your head is straight, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your chin and you're going to look all the way back up to the ceiling, and you're going to feel a pull down your neck. When you feel that pull down your neck, you're going to lift your chin up just like that, and you're going to hold it for about 10 seconds and then release, and then bring your head back down. We're going to move on to the second step, which is same thing. But this time what you're going to do is you are going to turn to the right, and then after that turn to the left, but doing the exact same thing. So I'm going to turn to the right, pull your jaw up, and then relax. Come back to the center, look to the left, pull on that neck, make sure you're feeling that stretch, and then pull your jaw up, hold it for 10 seconds, and then relax and bring your head back to the center. The third thing that you're going to be doing is same thing, but you're going to be basically putting your head back up, but you're going to take your tongue and you're going to touch the back of the roof of your mouth. Again, same thing, turning this way, tilt your chin up, and then relax. Same thing on the left hand side. Tilt your head, stretch, lift up your jaw, and take your tongue and stick it to the back roof of your mouth, and then come back in the center. Whenever you put on any cream before going to sleep, or first thing when you wake up in the morning, what you're gonna do is, I'm just gonna use, it could be any face and body cream. Just gonna rub it, and what you want to do is you want to, every time you apply the cream all over your face, you also want to apply it to your neck, and you want to work like this. Okay, try to like stretch out your skin from underneath and pull it upwards. Gravity is always pulling us down, so you need to fight against gravity for this part to go down. So you need to make sure you pull that skin up, and you want to stretch that skin out. Okay, there you go, and those are the techniques that you can do at home to help reduce your double chin. Start doing them every day, once a day, twice a day, whatever you like, but it'll help get rid of your double chin, I promise.